Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a no-glue slime. And these items are very specific. I would get the exact item if you're going to make this. So what you're going to need is some 3-in-1 Suave Kids. I would get this one. I'm not sure any other 3-in-1 works, so get this one. And you need some shaving gel. Then you just need some salt, which is over here. So let's get started. So what you're going to put in your 3-in-1. Then you're going to mix in the shaving gel. I wouldn't add too much because last time I did that, it didn't go too well. So you're just going to add your shaving gel, keep on adding until you like the flakiness. I would get the exact items I have for the best flavor. And you'll see it starts to form. That's supposed to happen, but it's not your activator. So don't use it as your activator because it won't work. Do it with some salt. Just sprinkle a little bit at a time. And it should start to form. And now I'm just going to let you guys watch me form it, and I won't talk. So, if you do the 3-in-1 alone with just the salt, it doesn't work. But when you do it with shaving gel, it works. And usually, I've seen shampoo slimes where you have to freeze it and everything, but this one doesn't require any freezing. It just requires shaving gel and salt for the activator. Pretty cool slime, huh? And I'm like one of those people who does not like sticky slime at all. So yeah. I can take it out now, but I don't feel like it yet. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more salt on it. And I'm just going to mix it, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to keep mixing. Ooh, it smells really good. I wish you could smell it. Just like scratch your phone and sniff it. Really, or a tablet. I record on a phone, so it's like a phone to me. It's just a scratch and sniff. Zoom. Okay, so mine's almost completely activated. Okay, so this is what it does on your hands. Show you the only thing that it does. It's like, and that's not too bad, I don't think. But this was like the best way to make this slime. And it's a really nice slime. I like it a lot. I think it's really cool. It's really fun.